What is going on, guys? Stephen Harvey here from Plan to Profit, and in today's video we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. We're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and how you can actually safely buy these cryptocurrencies over a certain platform. Now, I'm going to be talking about my preferred platform to buy these cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stick around to the second half of this video where I will be revealing that and going through the platform. However, talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum now, they have in fact reached all-time highs as of today. So just taking a quick look now, we can see that Bitcoin right now, it hit $52,359, so that is current right now. Obviously this thing goes up and down, but not as volatile as what it was. So I'm going to be talking a little bit more about that shortly. And then of course looking at Ethereum as well, it crossed over at 1900 US dollars per ether. And so these are my two major cryptocurrency holdings right now as I look to diversify my investment portfolio. And looking at current events, it doesn't seem like a bad investment. We can actually look at Tesla, who just recently purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and they actually plan to accept it as payment for their vehicles and other accessories. We can also see as well, we have Apple just, I think literally within the last 24 hours, and they've pretty much said that they've done a partnership with BitPay, which is basically a cryptocurrency credit card, and they will actually support Bitcoin through their Apple Pay service as well. So you can use if you have Apple Pay, you can use it, load the BitPay card onto your mobile phone or your iPhone, and then use Apple Pay to make any kind of purchase you like. And lastly, we have the mayor of Miami, who is looking to push cryptocurrency into the city of Miami in order to pay workers with Bitcoin, and also for residents to actually pay their taxes with Bitcoin as well. And we can see just in the last year, its journey from what was $5,000 at its lowest point in the March lows all the way up to $52,000. So, and this might seem like a massive spike, but right now this isn't actually built on hype. If we were to look at the trends of what was going on right now, this is actually built on the institutional investors going in on this cryptocurrency, and this is only just the beginning. As I mentioned, Tesla, Apple, and Miami all looking at buying Bitcoin and having them in their cash reserves. These are just a few companies. Imagine some of the biggest companies in the world taking this on board. And in fact, my business, myself, I do actually take Bitcoin as well as a payment. And now moving into the second part of this video, and that is a safe way to buy cryptocurrency, whether you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe you want to follow Elon Musk and buy a little bit of Dogecoin, then this platform that I prefer to use and have been using over the last month or so is called Binance. Now, if you do want to sign up to Binance, I do in fact have a referral link down below. Of course, I do get a kickback from that, so that is 100% your choice if you'd like to use that. I just think of it as a way to support the channel, so if you do want to support the channel, use that link down below, sign up, it's 100% free. Now, a couple of highlights with Binance is that they have a 0.1% fee on buying and selling transactions on their platform. Not only that, their withdrawal fees are also very, very competitive, so you can actually look more into that as well if you'd like to. And then they also offer a huge range of different cryptocurrencies. So here is just a few, all in alphabetical order. So even though it looks pretty laggy, you can see the list goes on and on and on. Now, you can also easily exchange your Bitcoin or any kind of cryptocurrency from one platform to another. So if you'd like to do so, I think the platform that you exchange from will usually have their fee, but exchanging it directly into Binance, it's 100% free on Binance's end. And you can also buy Bitcoin through credit cards. So if you do have a credit card or debit card, you can actually use that as well. You can go into the buy crypto option up here. So because I'm in New Zealand, it's in New Zealand dollars, and you can see we have the different options in here. We also have markets as well, so we can click on markets and that will show us all the different markets down below here. So just to give one for an example, and so just by looking at the Binance coin and Bitcoin charts right here, you can kind of see it gives you this live data as well to be able to view if that's your kind of thing. However, being able to read these charts isn't a necessity, okay? If you're looking just to move a bit of your cash into something that is less volatile like Bitcoin, then that is something that you can 100% do so very easily. Of course, at the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't want to be telling you what to do with your money, but this is an option I believe Bitcoin right now is going to be less volatile than what it was. Its support levels are sitting more around the $30,000 range. But the thing is if we look in about 5 to 10 years into the future, we're going to be looking back and saying, hey, has anyone got any of that $50,000 Bitcoin around? Because I believe this thing is going to be a lot higher when that time comes. And so even purchasing just the smallest amount every week or every month can really add up in the long term as this thing starts to go up. And of course, if we do see a little bit of a dip, then in my opinion, I just see that as Bitcoin is on sale. Now, that is all for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button and of course, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Now, Binance isn't the only platform out there. There are a few others. However, Binance is just my preferred platform. And this video isn't sponsored in any way. It's just the platform that I've been using lately. If you want to go with Easy Crypto or Interactive Brokers is another one. That is your choice 100%. But down below is a link to Binance if you want to sign up. Now, if you do want to keep up to date with my videos, then hit that subscribe button down below. That is greatly appreciated. And of course, we'll see you guys in the next one.